guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a candle holder, a mirrored candle holder centerpiece. And so what you'll need is just a piece of scrap cardboard I've got here. I also have some of these diamond gemstones. They're the peel and stick kind from Walmart, but you can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. And you're going to need 5 of these square mirrors. You're going to need 2 of these napkin rings from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6, I think. 6 or 8. But you'll need 2 of them. And you're going to need some diamond wrap. You're also going to need 2 of these silver candy dishes from Dollar Tree. I think these come in a pack of 4. A set of 4. I've got some hot glue, but if you want to make this permanent, you can use E6000. I've got some scissors here, and also I have just a box cutter. So you can either use scissors or a box cutter to cut the cardboard to size. But these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't that beautiful? Now let's go ahead and start decorating with the centerpiece. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.